welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a special unboxing video. On Tuesday, I got the call from my SA. So my SA said that he's got a bag and it's the color that I wanted and the hardware. But the leather is not what's on my wish list. And he said it's an exotic leather. I'm going to tell you the story of how I got offered a bag while I'm opening the other stuff I picked up from the store. This is the Kelly perfume that I wanted for Mother's Day, but they were out, so finally they have it. And this one, I'm sure that you know what it is, as you know, the size of the dust bag. So I got an Avalon pillow in black, and I also want the light gray, but they didn't have it, so I'm just gonna have to wait. So anyway, when he said it was an exotic leather, I was like, no, I'm not into exotic leather. And then I'm like, hey, give me 5 minutes. Let me think about it. And then my SA said, I'm gonna give you an hour to think about it. And let me know if you want it, because if not, they're gonna offer it to someone else. So I got the picture of the other leather that I wanted on my wish list and the exotic leather, and I showed it to my husband, and he's like, oh, I like the exotic leather better than the other one because it's not as common and it's unique. So that's what got me into thinking about, like, yeah, you're right. And so I also researched about the leather, and the more I read about the leather, I love it. And also looking at a lot of pictures, and I'm so happy that I did, because if not, I missed out on this beautiful offer from my SA. There she is. I don't know if you could guess what my SA offered me. If it's a Kelly, a Constance, or a Birkin. This is a care booklet that comes with the bag. And with the bag, you also get 2 rain protectors. I included a clip from the store when my SA unboxed the beautiful, beautiful bag for me. I am so happy. I'm over the moon. I just can't believe it. And yes, there she is in all her glory. Oh my god, I am absolutely in love with this bag. It's everything that I wanted. The color is Gris, Meyer, and with the gold hardware. It's not a toga leather that is on my wish list, but it's even better. It's an ostrich leather, and I've read that ostrich leather is very durable and it's water resistant. And this type is a Retourne, not a Cellier, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's everything that I wanted and even more. So meet my new baby Birkin 25, green Meyer, gold hardware, and ostrich leather. Aside from the bag, my SA also surprised me with a Pegasus and 2 Twillies. Oh my god, they are so cute. I am so happy. Ah, I can't believe it. I just can't. I'm opening an empty box. It's the Pegasus charm box. The manager put the charm on the bag, and she also wrapped the twirlies on the bag, and she did a very nice job. And just have to say that my SA really exceeded my expectation, because I have no idea that I would also get the Pegasus charm. I've always wanted one, and he mentioned that, oh, when I offer you a bag, I might get you a Rodeo or, Pegasus. Who knows? So exciting. I'm opening my baby for the first time. I can't believe I own a Birkin. I never thought I'd get one. The first bag I got from Hermes is the Evelyn, and that was 5 years ago. Then when my husband and I went to Paris in 2019, I got a Calvi wallet from the Hermes store. I don't remember which store I went to, but knowing now that how hard it is to get a bag, I would have tried to acquire one. Getting the air pillow off the bag so I can see what's inside. So in this small dust bag is the clochette and the lock. And the clochette also has the same leather as the bag, which is the Ostrich, and has the follicles and them. And the lock also is covered in leather, although my Kelly bag is just plain gold hardware. There's no, it's not covered in leather. Here are the keys for the lock. So I'm gonna open the lock so I can try it on my bag. So it's just one big compartment, and there's also a slip pocket in front and a zip pocket in the back. So this will hold all my essentials. I don't really carry a lot of stuff. She's so cute. So I'm closing it without the felt fabric, and I'm not gonna remove the plastic protector yet. I'm gonna hold off. love the Pegasus, and this is a bonus that my SA offered to me. And I'm going to show you pictures of when I was offered the bag. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!